Amélie and Louis's Magical Map of France. In a cozy little house in Paris lived a girl named Amélie and her brother, Louis. One rainy afternoon, while exploring their grandfather's dusty attic, they found an old, rolled-up map. It wasn't a map of streets, but a map of wonders. As Amélie's finger traced a drawing of a tall iron tower, the map began to glow. A gentle voice cooed from the window. "That is the Eiffel Tower, little ones. A good place to start." A magnificent stork with kind eyes stood on the windowsill. "My name is Clément. Shall we go?" Before they could answer, a warm breeze swirled around them. The attic disappeared, and they found themselves standing on a green lawn, gazing up at the twinkling Eiffel Tower. "It's even bigger than in the pictures," gasped Louis. Clément gestured with his wing. "France has many man-made wonders, but its natural beauty is just as grand." The map in Amélie's hand glowed again. The city lights faded, replaced by the scent of lavender and the sound of buzzing bees. They were in a vast purple field in Provence. "Now, for a castle fit for kings and queens," said Clément. Whoosh! The lavender fields vanished. They stood before the grand Château de Chambord, its many towers and turrets reaching for the sky. "Wow," said Louis. "I wonder how many rooms it has." Amélie pointed to a spot on the map surrounded by water. "What's this?" she asked. With another gentle swirl of wind, they were standing on a small island, looking at a monastery perched atop a high, rocky hill. "This is Mont Saint-Michel," Clément explained. "An abbey that becomes an island when the tide comes in." "I want to see the high mountains," Louis declared, touching a jagged peak on the map. The air grew crisp and cool. They were now surrounded by the towering, snow-capped peaks of the French Alps. A majestic mountain, Mont Blanc, stood tallest of all. "From the highest peaks to the deepest history," Clément said softly. The scene changed to an ancient Roman aqueduct, the Pont du Gard. Its giant stone arches crossed a sparkling river. "The Romans built this thousands of years ago to carry water," he told them. For their last stop, Amélie chose a picture of a beautiful coastline. They found themselves on a cliff overlooking the sparkling turquoise water of the Calanque near Marseille. The white limestone cliffs plunged into the sea, creating hidden coves. "It's like a secret paradise," Amélie whispered. As the sun began to set, a final warm breeze carried them back to their attic, the magical map resting on the floor. "France is full of adventures," Clément cooed from the window, "and they will always be there for you to explore." Amélie and Louis smiled, already dreaming of their next journey.